Kia ora, Year 11 and 12. Here are questions 2 and 3 from the start of year Algebra Review. So 2a was to expand and simplify the following expression. 3 times x minus 4 minus 2 times 3 minus x. So this is a linear expression. Just have to expand out each set of brackets and then collect up like terms. So we get 3x minus 12 minus 6, and then most of you picked up that we had a negative times a negative here, so it's going to be plus 2x, which gives us 5x minus 18. On to part B. Question 2b was a quadratic expand and simplify problem. I asked you to do this, 3x minus 1 times 2x plus 5. So what does that give us? Well, some of you will use FOIL. I don't mind. As long as you've got one system, we can talk about that a bit more in class. But here I'm going to start with 3x times 2x, 6x squared, 3x times 5 plus 15x, minus 1, negative 1 times 2x, which gives us take away 2x, and lastly negative 1 times 5, which gives us take away 5. Right, but we're not finished. We need to put our like terms together. We get 6x squared plus 13x, take away 5. Question 3a was to factorise 4y squared minus 8y. So we're going to look systematically at the coefficients, the numbers, to find the highest common factor. Then we work our way through the variables. We've only got y to deal with here. So the highest common factor of 4 and 8 is 4. And the highest common factor of the y terms, I've got a y squared here and a y here. So I'm taking out y as a factor. Now, 4y times what will give me y squared? Y. 4y times what will give me 8y? It'll be y take away 2. Right, and the last one in this very quick video was a simple quadratic to factorise. Right, so this is very much a level 1 problem, not a level 2 problem. It's just to get our brains going again. We want to factorise that expression. It's a quadratic. We'll start by putting down the two factors. So it's x squared, pop in the x's like that. Now note the sign pattern. We're happy because it's a plus, and we want to end up with a minus 7x. So that means we're going to need to have a take away something here and a take away something here. We need two numbers that times to give me 10 and add to give me 7, if I'm thinking in terms of positive numbers. Right, so those two numbers are going to be 5 and 2. So we pop those in here. So we get x minus 5 times x minus 2. Right, just note the difference here between factorise and solve. This is an expression. Okay, this thing here is just an expression. It's not an equation, so there's no value of x to find. So when we get to this step here, we've finished the problem. When we move on to solving quadratics, that's when we're going to ask which values of x will make my equation or number sentence a true statement. But that's for another day. Thanks for watching. I will try and put the other ones up later on today.